Okay, so I'm going to cover up the answers here, just because this is a good thing to do without looking at the answers. You could do that, but it's helpful to come up with your answer and then, understand how to do it and then move forward from there. Notice that it says that you don't need to actually evaluate the expression, which you could do since you have all numbers. They're not variables. But here's the idea. We are looking at the shaded area, and what they're saying is what you really need to do is you need to do length times width, right? So what's the length? Well, the entire length here is 12, but what do you have to take away from that? You have to take away this 6 feet here. Notice that it says not to scale. 6 feet is half of 12 feet. That doesn't look like half, but it doesn't matter. You're going on what they tell you and not what the diagram looks like. And that's pretty much true all the time for these types of, whenever you're given problems in mathematics. Go with the numbers. So anyway, we've got a full length here of 12, and we say, if I want to find this, I go the full length, take away what it doesn't go to, so I say 12 minus 6. That's the length, okay? And we're going to do that times the width. And what's the width? The width is this full 13 feet, but take away that last 4 feet because we don't go that whole 13 feet. We go 13 minus the 4. So we say 13 minus the 4, and that's what we get for an answer, okay? Now, the reason that I said that is because it's really easy to sloppily think about this and misinterpret that, oh, you're doing 12 and then take away the 4. But this 4 gets taken away from this length right here, right? So if you said 12 minus 4 and you saw this right down here, that would be no good, okay? Another thing that you could do is you could calculate this entire area. And so, by the way, when we look for our answer down here, do we see it? Do we see 12 minus 6, which would give us this length, times 13 minus 4, which is the other length? I don't see that. So let's, oh yeah, here we do. We have it right here. It's just in the reverse order. So we can mark this as B.